I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my videos. This is not an auto repair video, but it is a car accessory video. I said in one of my previous videos that the reason that people get Honda Civics so much is because they're inexpensive. And because they're inexpensive, people can afford to accessorize them. So today we have a bumper protector that we're going to install on our Honda Civic. And you might need a bumper protector if you want to protect your nice and shiny car from getting scratches on it. Now, I have 6 siblings and they travel a lot. They often go to the train station or to the airport. And whenever my dad used to bring them in his old Honda Civic, the one that got into a car crash because it was stolen and everything, but when he brought them to the train station or to the airport, he always noticed that whenever they took out their luggage or put it back in, they would always rest it on the bumper before actually putting it in. And so it left scratches on his Honda Civic. Now, his Honda Civic was old, so he didn't care about them. But now with his new Honda Civic, he cares very much about them because it's clean. So that's why we got a bumper protector. Now with bumper protectors, you have many options to get them. You can even get tape bumper protectors, which you can just put on top. But we got this plastic cover that serves the same function, but looks more nicer. I mean, already, the Honda Civic has a really nice combo going on with this black trim and this silver metal. And having this sort of plastic cover is way better, I think, than having tape on it. And also with tape, I don't really like residue. And another thing that people have said about the tape that you can get for the bumper protector is that it's basically glorified duct tape. So might as well go big or go home. You know, bumper protectors would be really useful if you're like an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. Especially since you have so many passengers who probably don't care about how their luggage affects your car. So this would be good to get for your car. But anyway, we got this. This is a generic bumper protector. We got it off of eBay from DNA Motoring. So, I mean, generic. And you can also find this on Amazon, but we found this on eBay for 30% cheaper. I forgot what the price was, but we decided just to get it. And if you want to get it on Amazon, we'll probably put a link in the description or in the comments. But to install this is very easy. All you have to do is first you want to clean your bumper. Make sure you use quick detailer or even Windex. Wipe it down. You want to take your bumper protector and you want to sort of put it on. Make sure that it fits flushly. You want to make sure it's guided. We have these 2 points that we marked out. And we can also use the holes right here as guides. So when you put them on, you'll see that the holes fit flush nearly perfectly with the bumper protector, and the dots also line up pretty well. And you want to do this before you take off the 3M tape. And the reason that you do this is so that you can mark it out, just to get a feel for where the bumper protector is going to be, and then you can actually apply it. It's a bit cold right now, about 40 degrees, and adhesive usually doesn't work well in cold temperatures. And so in order to help us with that, we're going to heat up both the car and the adhesive on the bumper protector. And we're going to use a hairdryer to do so. Just go over the car and the adhesive until it's a bit warmer. And if you're worried about this affecting the paint, well, I wouldn't really worry about it too much. I mean, there's a popular method to fix dents on cars where you just heat up the spot that has a dent, you push it out, and then you put cold water to keep it in place. And that hasn't affected the paint in the car, so I'm pretty sure that putting a hairdryer to the paint here won't affect anything. So just keep putting the hairdryer to it until the surface feels warm. Okay, so now we can peel this off. This is the most awkward part of the whole part. I mean, this is the most awkward part of the whole process. Okay, that was the worst part. Now we just need to put this on. Okay, so we installed it. Now, you can see it's very flush on the edges. Very perfect, actually. Actually like how well it fits, but in the middle here, you can see that there's a gap, and even on the bottom, that there's a gap. Unfortunately, due to the placement of the tape, there's actually no way to stick this to the middle of the car. And maybe that mistake might be just due to the way that we installed the bumper protector, or maybe it's because it's like an aftermarket part, or I mean a non-genuine part. Anyway, I just gotta say, this looks really nice. Wow, I really like how it matches up with like this black trim that the Honda Civic has going on. Like I said, it matches up with the bottom and the sides. It might be a bit too dark compared to this, but a bit too light compared to this, so maybe it is actually the perfect shade of black. But anyway, it also comes with some stickers, or just one sticker that you can put on that says Civic. I'm gonna let my dad do that because I don't have any nails to peel this. I've heard that for these chrome parts, they actually come off or wear off after a few months, which is okay for my dad because you can just paint over it. But if you do get one of these bumper protectors, just keep that in mind that these chrome parts might peel off. I will say again, I really like how it looks. Let me close the trunk and see how it looks. Of course, because of this gap, some water might get under the bumper protector, so if you don't really care about like taking this off, you can always caulk it, which I mean I wouldn't recommend, but like if you want to. Huh. Wow, that looks cool. Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna peel this off. Oh wow. It kind of looks like a really wide face. Like these are the eyes, these are just the mouth. Huh. Wow, that's awesome. Okay. And this is gonna be a huge benefit for my dad because whenever my siblings come home for the like once a month or maybe once every 2 months, they can, whenever they put their luggage in his car, he doesn't have to worry about it getting scratched. And because this is our only like car that my dad uses on the regular, because this is my mom's car, this should help him out a lot. Okay, so we installed the sticker. There are either two ways you can do this. You can keep the letters, or you can keep the trim around the letters. I think we're going to keep the letters because it kind of just matches up with the white Civic here. If we didn't keep the letters, it would be black. So we're just going to peel this off. And my lack of nails. There we go. And so we're going to keep the letters down as we peel this off. Okay. Preferably, I would have wanted a bit of a lighter sticker, and also one that had like kind of a chrome finish or maybe a silver finish, just to keep in mind with these ones. Because I don't think like having this one would look okay either, because it has a black. I don't know. It's up to you guys. Comment in the comment down below whether you think having the empty space or the positive space or the negative space would be better for the Civic. Let's close it and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I would like it either way. I think it looks more cleaner without the letters on it, because you already have the Civic at the top here. It's not really like you need another Civic at the bottom. Some people have said that even the stickers here don't last very long, and some people have used cellophane tape as a solution. If it starts peeling off, they just put clear tape over it, which looks even uglier. Like, but another thing you can do is you can even keep this other sticker and put it on when these peel off, or for a more permanent solution, you can use this as a stencil for spray painting it. Which, if this was my car, I probably wouldn't even put a sticker on. By the way, I hate stickers. That's something you should know about me. I hate stickers. And another thing they could have done is like just make the colors line up more with the rest of the bumper protector. But overall, looks okay. Don't forget to roll it just to keep it sticking, and it's good to go. We're going to keep this in a safe spot. Yeah, that's it. So I'm Aiman, and today I didn't really unbox it. I guess a first impression in installation of this bumper protector for our Honda Civic. So if you're interested in buying it, we'll probably put an Amazon link down in the description or comment below. So go check it out, and also go check out my other videos on the Honda Civic, especially my auto repair videos. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at our videos on EyeOnAiman, especially our videos on the Honda Civic and other auto repair videos, and I'll see you there. For now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.